It was a busy day at Newport, as you can see.
That's the whistle. I'm glad to clear. Finally.
About the work system, holler at me if you need something like cigarettes or something. I don't know.
Will do.
Oi, hey buddy, mind looking after someone for me?
Of course, Rory.
Well, I'm needed elsewhere, and I'm worried. Real worried about someone.
Right, who?
Well, you know Dudley well, right?
Oh yeah, knew him since he was a drawing. Don't know why they wanted to give him another back wheel though.
Well, could you look out for Dudley for me? I'm just worried.
Of course, man. No worries, Red Rory.
Thank you. Thanks. I gotta go. See you.
Ebenezer, you mind a little favour?
Yeah, what is it?
We ought to go to Bendigo when we can. Fred's worried about Dudley for some reason.